3 things I believe that you must do while building your house, especially your first house. Make sure your plumbing pipes are fastened everywhere properly. Old house had knocking on the walls sometimes when the water was on. Not good. And here's my number 2, but I would say probably one of my, more important things that I could have done record your house before the sheetrock gets put up. That way you know for future problems or remodeling or whatever, future homeowners even, they might even want this. You would know where these mechanical lines are at, your HVAC lines and your electrical lines and plumbing, how it's all ran and routed. And it might be very handy one day to look back at for reference, is all I'm saying. And my number 3 is to check over everything. Regardless if you've done the work or a subcontractor, check over your own plumbing.
Always go back and check, which is what I'm telling their fault.
I filled any gaps I found in my spray foam roof.
But
I filled all those gaps with great stuff. You know, I picked up a home improvement place. I think I got this Lowe's or Home Depot. The great stuff. It worked great and filled my holes. Should be fine now. I got some bonus footage of a tour of the upstairs and my daughter's rooms and some more quick tips for you, so stay tuned. Okay, here I just want to take you upstairs and show you my daughter's rooms. Yeah, the roof the way it was on the sides, so in case of a fire, they had a good fire escape. I was a little nervous about them being on the second story away from me because we've always lived on a 1-story house, a single-story residence. But they should be able to get down pretty easy. But right here, you definitely want to make sure you spray foam around all your windows. If your insulation people don't do it, that's a big one. I mean, I'm sure that would help with the sweating. But I want to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this content and would like some more, please consider subscribing.